Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. And the next one is O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.